very first thing that we're picking up are these Stonefire Nan Breads. My kids absolutely love this when we have curry. These are 2 for $6 on sale. And then we have a $1 off coupon that I printed from the Stonefire website. And I can print this coupon actually 2 times and use it on the 2 for $6. So it's going to be $6 originally, and then we're going to take off $2 in coupons, making it $4 or $2 each. So pretty good, saving $1.50 on each. I forgot to mention this, but I will put the URL, the web link to this coupon in the description box for you guys, so you don't have to go searching for it. I think you just have to sign up with email, and I did that a long time ago. So I will put that URL in the description box for you guys. Now the next thing I'm printing off was on this Cedar's organic hummus. This is a PDF actually, so you can print it off as much as you want, and the expiration date on this does not run out till next summer, so that's a really great deal on this. So what we're going to do is we're going to save $1 on 2 of them, and they're right here. They're BOGO this week, and so we're going to pick up 2 of them, and it's going to be $4.49 when we pick up 2. Or if we picked up 1, it would be $2.50, but we're not doing it. We're picking up 2 because of the coupon. And so $4.49 for 2, and then we're going to use that $1 off coupon that I just showed you. The link will be in the description box as well, making these just $3.49. So pretty good on some hummus that is organic and super, super yummy. Find this in the hummus section that's like in the deli area. We have an amazing deal on the Splenda Stevia liquid. These are usually $4.19 each, but they are on sale, buy one get one free. So when we buy 2 of them, it's going to be $4.19 when we buy 2. But we have this really awesome high value coupon that we got recently. We're going to save $4 when we buy 2. So we're going to use this coupon, and when we buy 2 of them, it's only going to cost us 19 cents or about 10 cents each. So 10 cents each for some Stevia. Splenda is really great. I don't use this, but I'm sure if we donate this to the food bank, they would appreciate it a lot, because they don't get a lot of things like this for people who have diabetes and such. Now, I have 4 coupons. I'm going to use all 4 coupons. The good thing about Publix is you can use 8 of this same type of coupon in one transaction, so they don't limit you like Kroger does. So pick these up, 10 cents each. All right, this is a repeat deal for me. I used coupons and Swagbucks last time, but this time I'm just going to use Swagbucks to make this free. Now, if you do have the 50-cent coupons, it will make it a money maker. So what I'm going to do is pick up 2 of these ragouts. They're $2 each. Sorry, I had to get out of the way. They're $2 each for these ragouts, making it $4. And then we're going to submit to Swagbucks for 400 Swagbucks or $4, making these a total freebie. So check your accounts. You may still have it in your Swagbucks. All right. So you guys know I do not have a dog, but I do like to get like these treat bags like this, or the single servings of dog food. And I generally will give these out to people who have dogs. If I see them, like, people who are in need, I give them blessing bags. And then also, if they have a dog with them, because a lot of people do have a dog with them, I'll give them these, so I don't have like a big bag of dog food in my car. So these Blue Buffalo health bars are $5.49, but we're going to pick these up for just $1.75. So they're on BOGO this week, and when you buy 1 of them, they're $2.75 with the BOGO. And then we're going to use this $1 off coupon when we do them. This coupon came from coupons.com. When we do, this comes down to $1.75 per bag. And I was able to print 2 of these on coupons.com. So $1.75 per bag of these Blue Buffalo health bars, down from $5.49, is a pretty great deal. The next deal I'm getting are on these Ziploc freezer pint bags. They're 2 for $6, or you can pick up the heavy duty gallon size. They have a quart bag as well. So we're getting these for 2 for $6. They're $3 each. I have a coupon from coupons.com for $1 on 2, bringing these down to $5 or to just $2.50 each. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the gallon freezer ones, because this will last longer in my house. I usually don't buy something like this for my kiddos anyways. They go through these bags so quickly, so I'll buy the store brand. But yeah, picking these up for $2.50 each with that coupon from coupons.com. All right, gonna pick up some of this Palermos Pizza. I don't know how to say that. Palermos, there we go. Palermos Pizza. These are $6.71 each. They're on BOGO this week. So if we were to pick up just one, it's going to be $3.35 with the BOGO. We have a dollar coupon that we printed from their website, and this only printed for me one time, so that kind of stinks, but that's fine. Only one time on that print, and I think it was a email I got back, but I will put the website's link in the description box so you guys can find it very easily. So we're going to be picking up this pizza for just $2.35 with that dollar off coupon. Alright, so I'm not picking these up. I don't have any room in my freezer, and we don't eat this cauliflower stuff, but a lot of people do. So these Veggie full rice cauliflowers, they got all kinds of different flavors. Parmesan herb, Southwest, there's a garlic and herb, unseasoned one. Looks pretty yummy. They're $3.19, and they're on BOGO this week. So they're going to be, what, $1.60 each. So $1.60 each, plus we have 75-cent coupons on the coupons.com app, making these, 85 cents, I believe? Yeah, 85 cents each. Now, I'm not going to use these coupons, but I am going to leave them for someone else and let them get 85 cents each on these rice cauliflowers, because I am not picking that up today. But good deal anyways. We've got a really great deal on the Challenge butter. This is the butter we use. We either get this or the, I can't remember the other one we get. The, real butters. I can't remember what it's called. So these are buy one, get one free. They're $4.99. If we were just to buy one, they'd be $2.50. There is a dollar off coupon when you buy two on the Publix app. So if I use that dollar off two coupon on the Publix app, it'll make these just $4 when you buy two. So they'll be $2 each. Also, if you don't have that coupon on the Publix app, there is 50-cent coupons on the Challenge Butter website. I will put the link to this in the description box for you as well, so you don't have to go looking for that. And then I noticed this as I'm standing here talking to you guys. Valuable coupon inside. What? Don't play me in a coupon. I'm going to be ripping that thing open when we get home, and we'll find out how much it is. Right? We have a no coupon needed deal. This is on the Just Crack an Egg omelet rounds. They have the All-American one, the 3-meat one. They're $3.79. The IBOTTA app for Publix has this listed as a free offer, and it's supposed to be like $3.49, but it's a little bit higher in my store. They're 30 cents higher, and that's fine. So we'll be paying 30 cents instead of just getting it free. It may be free in your store, but let me know in the comments if you were able to get this free. And also, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to all, and comment below some of your favorite deals of the day. Alright, we have another freebie, no coupons needed, from IBOTTA. This is the Siggi's plant-based coconut blend yogurts. I just love this packaging. It's just so clean, and they don't have all kinds of stuff on it they don't need. So these are $1.99. I'm actually going to be picking up the mixed berry one, and we're getting back $1.99 from IBOTTA, making these totally free. And I want to show you something else, how cute Publix is. Look at this. They put spoons out, so you can either eat around the store or eat when you get in your car. I just love how Publix always takes care of people. So, freebie on the Siggi's $1.99 yogurt. My daughter absolutely loves Nutella spread. It is one of her favorite things to put on crackers for a snack. These are $2 for 6 cents. They're usually $3.69. We're getting 69 cents off on each of those Nutellas. We also have a Nutella coupon that came out in last week's paper for $1 off this size, so it's a small size. So we're getting each of these Nutellas just for $2. So we're taking $1 off each can of Nutella. So that's pretty exciting for her. She's gonna be very excited that we're getting a deal on this. So $2 each with that coupon, and I have 4 coupons. So I'm gonna stop. All right, got a great deal on something that we never get coupons for. So these are the easy foil pans with lids. These are $4.09. I'm getting these. You can get something different than you if you want, but I'm getting the ones that are like festive. So these are going to be $2.04 because they're on BOGO. So $2.04. There is a $1 off coupon on the Publix app. So we're getting 2 pans. I believe they're 2 pans. 2 pans for just $1.04 with the Publix app. So no paper coupons needed. Pretty great deal on that. So there's a coupon inside of our Challenge butter. It's hard to see it in there. Hey, you break it open. It's 55 cents off. So that's pretty good. It's actually a better coupon than I had for this in the first place. So 55 cents are in each of these challenge butters. So check it out. I just got home. Gonna submit my IBOTTA for everything. I didn't have anything extra at home with IBOTTA, but everything I did ring up did come off. So I'm going to let you guys know the total in just a moment.